Moving on to the fourth question of Codeforces round 787. So in this question we are given a simple tree and we need to find set of paths such that each vertex belongs to only one path. Also, each path consists of a parent and its son, and so on. So a path could be 3 to 1 to 5, but not from 3 to 5 and something like that. Or a path cannot be from 1 to 3. Okay, we can only go from the parent to the son, and we need to find the minimum number of paths. So we can do it in the following way. So if we have this particular graph, the least number of paths would be equal to the number of leaves that the particular graph has. So we can store all the leaves of the graph with the help of a degree array, and then we can traverse from the current node to its parent until we find a node which is already visited. So in this case we'll store 2, 4 and 5, and then first we'll take the node 2, we'll move from 2 to 1 to 3 and we'll mark 2, 1, 3 as visited. Then we'll go to 4. So parent of 4 is 3, which is already visited. So we'll not go to 3 and our path ends here. Now we'll take the third leaf, which is 5. The parent of 5 is 1, which is already visited. So the number of paths will be 3 and the required paths will be 2, 1 and 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, in this case, if we consider 6 as the root node, then the leaves will be 1, 2 and 3. So first we'll take 1, we'll move from 1 to 4 to 5 to 6. So our first path will be 1, 4, 5, 6 and we'll mark 1, 4, 5, 6 as visited. Now we'll take the second, the node 2. The parent of node 2, which is 4, is visited. So we'll now move to node 3, whose parent is already visited. So the number of paths will be 3 and the required paths are mentioned. So I'll code it to explain you. We are given the number of vertices, also the parent vector. We'll make a visited vector as well. We'll take all the inputs. Also we'll make a degree vector. We'll store the degree of each of the nodes. So now we'll find all the leaf nodes. The nodes with degree 1 are the leaf nodes. So if degree of I is 1, then we'll push it in our vector. Now we need to find the paths. So what we can do, there'll be a special case in which we have only one node. So in that case our output will be 1, 1 and 1. In the other case, we'll first print the number of paths. Then we'll try to find all the paths. Okay, so what we'll do is now we have the reverse path. Okay, so we'll reverse this array to get the actual path. So now I'll try to test the code on the sample cases. Okay, so it seems to be correct, so I'll submit it. So the code is accepted.